2018, Ford gives this age of Mustang a critical invigorate. A few changes should help address earlier protests we had about the auto: a retuned suspension in addition to recently accessible versatile suspension dampers for an asserted change in ride quality, while others are acknowledged what tops off an already good thing: more power for the Mustang's 5.0-liter V8. The Mustang's new program's transmission has an eyebrow-raising 10-speed. It may appear like pointless success, however we've discovered this transmission in different vehicles to be snappy moving and exceptionally smooth. For 2018, this age of Mustang gets its first mid-cycle invigorate. There's new front and backside styling in addition to a couple of changes to the lodge, yet the upgrades under the skin are more generous. Portage has retuned the suspension and included another 10-speed programmed transmission. The V6 demonstrate has been ceased, however the turbocharged 4-barrel motor increases extra torque. V8 models get more power in addition to an updated manual gearbox and a 2-mode deplete framework. Attractive dampers are currently accessible with the Performance Pack, and a warm guiding haggle suite of driver help highlights are accessible. The Mustang's inside is an amazing exertion, highlighting great quality materials and fun horse auto processors without going over the best. The double-cowl dashboard looks cool,